Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Kian Golzari. I'm from the UK, from Scotland. I would describe myself as loyal, passionate, and very, very hardworking. In fact, like savage mode hardworking. The first product I ever sold on Amazon was our camping and outdoor brand, the family business. I don't even know which product it was because we have over like 2,500 products on Amazon. I wasn't involved in the actual listing of it, but let me just take a guess and say it was an outdoor backpack. I'll give myself a virtual high five, put my head down and just cracked on to the next one. My best advice, I would say, is you have to start with your passion, because I see far too many sellers getting in the game and they're selling stuff that they don't necessarily like, but they just do it because they think it makes money. But when you're in this game for the long term, when you realize that to be successful, you have to be able to work ridiculous hours. And if you're working those ridiculous hours, then it has to be something you actually love and that you're passionate about. Otherwise, someone else who is working on the passion is going to overtake you. So only get into the game if it's something that you actually know you will love. Product research and sourcing absolutely is that you have to go to China and you have to go to the Canton Fair. I see a lot of people get started using like Alibaba and websites like that, and that's okay to get started if you don't have the means to get out to China, but as soon as you have a profitable business, you have a profitable product, you have to get out to China for the next stage of your business. I've got 3 that I'm working on at the moment. The first one, Active Dreamers, NBA licensed company. That's been amazing. I mean, I only got into it 2 years ago, and within the first 6 months I was hanging out with the Warriors and with Steph Curry and guys like that, and creating products not only for the NBA on NBA.com and Fanatics, and putting products on Amazon, but also doing products for the players directly, which has been a lot of fun, which has then led into partnerships and other different ventures as well. Veltra is something I'm very, very passionate about. That's a travel brand which I'm going to be launching on Kickstarter soon, and then once it's launched on Kickstarter, then I'm going to transition it into Amazon. And for those of you who are sort of considering building up income off of Amazon, I think Kickstarter is a good platform, and I've been writing everything that I've been doing in this process, so happy to share with you guys soon. The third one's the family business, where we have camping and outdoor products, and we've got over 2,500 products listed on Amazon. And the biggest success of that, I would say, is our Ben Nevis rucksack, which was my favourite product I ever developed because it won numerous awards. Stand out from the rest because I'm an absolute product practitioner. Whatever product that I am developing, I use it and test it myself. I gave an example to the Elite Workshop that if it was a backpack, I was hiking in it, and then if I'm in the factory and I'm actually making it myself, so I go through every single stage of the production line myself. So a lot of people view a backpack as one unit on a shelf, whereas I go into a factory and I see that backpack in 30 different processes. I see the shoulder straps, the foam that goes in the shoulder straps, the webbing, the zippers, the pullers, the buckles, the waterproof coating, all that sort of stuff, and I sit myself down on every single station and learn how that product is made. So if all of a sudden you have a $10 product and you need to make it an $8 product, I can figure out 30 different calculations in my head of how to do that. And then once I make the product, I'm out in the mountains hiking with that product. So I know, like, okay, there's a water bottle pouch, is it big enough? Is the base of the bag big enough to fit a sleeping bag? Does it have adequate rain cover when it gets wet? All this sort of stuff. So it starts with being a product practitioner.